So I picked up this Klein voltage tester. It's a non-contact voltage detector pen because I don't like to make contact with electricity. So I do a little bit of DIY around the house and change some lamps and some sockets. But I'm not experienced enough to really go at it without being super cautious. And to be careful, you're gonna need a tester, and preferably one like this one that has audible and flashing LED alarms. And to make it convenient, it has a pocket clip so you could store it when you're not testing and when you're working on the appliance. So this has a broad application from 50 to 1,000 watts, which you do not want to mess with. AC power, detection, range. It conserves the batteries with auto power off function because you know you're going to forget to turn it off, and this will save you. It's lightweight, durable, convenient clip. What can you say? It's safe. It's going to keep you safe. It's going to give you more confidence to work with electricity, which is my issue. I can work with electricity, but it's scary, and you want to be safe. Even though you turn off the breaker and you do all the right things, you do not want to get caught out there. You do not want to mess with electricity. So this is like cheap insurance for the pro, for the amateur. Whether you fix a couple of light fixtures a year or you do it for a living. So this one's working out for me and probably work out for you too.